Hello student, good morning to one and all. I am Dr. Tariq, Assistant Professor of Biotechnology, Islamic College. Today's topic is Bioinformatics in the unit of 4, sequence as well as database, biological database. In this most important one, the topic is EMBL, European Molecular Biology Laboratory. These are the European Molecular Biological Laboratory in the European country. So these are the emblem and the symbol of this EMBL. Now this is the main and capital city, and as well as the main administrative building in German, Australia, European countries, many other countries established in the EMBL laboratory center. Okay, these are the main, the oval shape, the round shape. These are the major administrative building, in particularly in server, EMBL server. Okay. Now we discuss about EMBL. Actually, the EMBL, European Molecular Biology Laboratory, is a molecular biology research institution supported by 27 member states, 2 prospect states, and 2 associate member states. So that EMBL was created in 1974 and is an intergovernmental organization funded by public research money from its member states. The research at EMBL is conducted by approximately 85 independent groups covering the spectrum of molecular biology. The list of independent groups at EMBL can be found at the website of www.embl.org. That means official website of EMBL, European Molecular Biological Laboratory, www.embl.org. The laboratory operates from 6 cities, 6 sites also. The main laboratory is Heidelberg and outstations in Kingston. The European Bioinformatics Institute, EBI, in England, Grenoble, France, Hamburg, Germany, Rome, Italy, and Barcelona, Spain. These are the major role of the connected organization. The EMBL groups and laboratories perform basic research in molecular biology as well as molecular medicine. It's going on train the scientists, students training, and the visitors also watching the organization. The organization aids in the development of services, new instruments and methods and technology in its member states. Israel is one of the full member state located outside the Europe. Actually, the European Molecular Biology Laboratory was the idea of James Watson and John Canrew. Their goal was to create an international research center similar to CERN to revive the strongly American dominated field of molecular biology. The Canrew served as the first Director General of EMBL until 1982, and he was succeeded Leonard Philipson from 1993 to 2005. Fotis Kafatos served as director and was succeeded by Lan Metai EMBA fourth director from the 2005 to 18. In January 2019, Edith Hart became the fifth director of EMBL and the first woman in hold this position. So these are the fundamental and basic history of EMBL till date. Okay, student. Okay, now we discuss about EMBL sequence databases. Actually, it is a European Molecular Biology is a official website. The example definitely we discuss. We asking the part A question, what is meant by EMBL? At the same time, the official website of this EMBL. So you put the answer is www.embl.org. This is the official website of this sequencing database. Okay, what is going on in this EMBL? Actually, the EMBL nucleotide sequence database, EBI, European Biological Institute, academic and EMBL index, is maintained at the European Bioinformatics Institute, that is called EBI, in international collaboration with the DNA Data Bank of Japan. Yesterday discussing the DDBJ, same as. And another sequence database is GenBank, USA, is organized and launched in the server is state of United States. Then data is exchanged among the collaborative database on a daily basis. The major contributors to the EMBL database are individual authors and genome project groups. WebIn is the preferred web-based submission system for individual submitters, whilst automatic procedures allow incorporation of sequence data from large-scale genome sequencing centers and from the European Patent Office. Database releases are produced quarterly. Network services allow free access to the most up-to-date data collection via internet interfaces. And EBI, European Bioinformatics Institute, sequence retrieval Okay, students, sorry for the interruption. Database sequence released the produced quarterly. Network services allow free access to the most up-to-date collection, internet and as well as interfaces. The European Bioinformatics Institute sequence integrated in the linking to the main nucleotide and as well as protein databases. Plus or minus, many specialized databases are present in these sequences, particularly for sequences similarity researching in a variety of tools. For example, BLAST, FASTA, BLITZ, etc. are available, which allows external users compare their own sequences against the most currently available data in the EMBL nucleotide sequence databases. And so finally, very important one is SwissProt. That means yesterday we will discuss about the Switzerland protein sequencing databases. Okay, so these are all the most important one. At the sense, the final slide is sequence identifiers. That means the EMBL sequences database entries as well as retrieving the sequence in all aspects of the conditions. Okay, the protein sequence identifier for validate CDS group discussion and the searching tools and represent the protein and further qualifier. The example is protein identified. It is the sequence of this one, blue one. Okay, the identifier themselves remain stable within the given entry, which the version member increments every sequence update. The protein identifier can be used in the external databases such as SwissProt. Is an identifier into the very useful reference to the build the development of the EMBL sequences. The examples of the sequences: individual CDS features protein identifier currently assigned to the CDS all the features of nucleotide sequences, particularly in database, to identify the